Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Changelly. For that, first of all, you need to simply open your Changelly application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are going to see this type of watch list tab where you can see we have Bitcoin available. But if you don't see this type of watch list tab over here, you can just simply use the search bar in the top. You can search for the term BTC. Once you are able to find BTC, you need to simply tap on it. This is going to show you its current chart, so you can just click on these tabs that are given here, like 1 hour, 1 day, weekly, monthly and yearly, and you can take a look at the pricing of BTC. With the help of this chart, you can set whether you want to purchase BTC at the current price or you want to wait for it any kind of corrections so that you could buy it at the lower prices. So whichever you like, you can just simply select it. You can add alerts here by using this alert option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So once you have made up your mind that you want to buy BTC, you need to simply click on the option of BTC over here. So once you click on the option of buy, you will be landed here on this buy crypto page, where simply click on the option of this drop down menu, then select BTC. Now you need to enter the amount of USD that you want to basically spend in order to purchase BTC, just like so. After that, it is going to show you the recommended payment method. As you can see, with MoonPay, we can make the payment with Revolut and the Visa card. So you can also click on this drop down menu and take a look at other payment methods. You can select as per your own convenience. I would recommend you to go with the best offer that they provides. Then click on the option of next. Now if you have selected your MoonPay account, you should have BTC in it. So you need to copy the address from there. After that, you need to paste it over here. Then confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to get your BTC in your Changelly account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.